Hello everyone, I am Taragay. I have a super cool question to you. Do you know trees can communicate? Yeah, it's true. And today I will explain you how the trees talk to each other like a secret forest network. Let's go. You may think trees are quiet and still, but guess what? Under the ground, they are busy talking to their tree friends. There is a scientist named Susanna Simbad from Canada. She discovered that trees are connected by something called the microhyllia network. Wow, what a big word! I will explain it in simple words. Think of it like internet, but for trees. Tiny fungi in the soil connect to the tree roots and help them send message in. It's called the wood wide web. Cool, right? Trees can send sugar and nutrients to each other through this underground network. Something old trees called mother trees when feed their baby trees when they are too small to grow on their own. Oh, wow! That's like the tree parents. You know the what trees warn each other about danger. If a giraffe or insect is eating a tree's leaf, the trees send out the chemical warning in the air. Other trees earth roots and started protecting themselves, like making their leaves taste bad and tough. Nature's got teamwork. Isn't it amazing? Trees talk, they care, they help each other. So, next time you walk by a tree, say hi. Who knows? Maybe it's talking to its friend underground. Thank you.